so I'm cooking something really delicious in the kitchen. Take a look at this, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't turn away. Today, I am making brown stew chicken. Make sure that you stay tuned to the end because there's a bonus that you're not going to want to miss. Let's dive into it. So, I have my chicken. This has been thawing out. I've patted in water and vinegar. Vinegar helps strip the taste away so that way your seasonings can get right in and through the chicken. I've removed the skin of these drumsticks. Look how clean this is. Let's get into the flavors. Jerk BBQ sauce, browning. Mix everything together. Let's add some thyme. Now lightly coated. Marinate it in the fridge and peel our potatoes, chop up our onions, add some curry. Look at that. Put everything into the bowl with the carrots. Now it's time to put the chicken into the pan. Add everything else there. Let's go ahead and do some rice. Let it soak for a little bit. Okay, there it is. And voila, fresh out the rice cooker. Now let's go ahead and do some corn. Add some sugar to the water and butter. Salt and pepper. Voila, look at that delicious corn on the cob. And dinner is served. Look how piping hot that is and delicious. Look at the sauce. I added more sauce to it near the end while it was baking in the oven. It is so delicious. Look at this. This is a real-time review of my version of brown stew chicken. And so what better person than to tell me how good or bad this is than someone who is actually from the islands, from Trinidad. So my version of brown stew chicken, let's listen in. That's carrots. That's carrots, by the way. That's the carrots, y'all. We're gonna get to the chicken. Potatoes. Let's see. And you can see how tender that is, how the meat just falls off the bone.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Okay.
It's well flavored and seasoned.
He said it's pretty good and that it's well flavored and seasoned. I'm glad that you stayed to the end because this was a bonus. Anyways, go back, look at the video, and I have all of the ingredients in the description on how you can make my version, Dree's version, of brown stew chicken.